Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing an activity based on the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. That book you should have read with me, or you should have read with your parents at home, or possibly read it at school already. So we're going to create a little fun little caterpillar looking like this. A little face and everything. And there's many purposes for this caterpillar, honestly. You can just have it just to do something, just make it for fun, or you can have it to create your own story, use this as a character and, use a character to play with, or use this as a character to create your own version of The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Maybe you want to change how the story ended. Maybe you didn't want to turn it to a butterfly, or maybe you want it to become anything your heart imagines. It's your story. Okay, so continue watching and I'll teach you how to make. So the materials needed are a ruler, 2 popsicle sticks, jumbo the better, scissors, glue, 2 pieces of construction paper, 1 for the body, 1 for the head, any color you want, and a pen or pencil. So we're going to grab our green construction paper and then our ruler. We're going to grab a pen and then make a 2-inch indication and another one for the right. These will be where we'll be making our folds for the caterpillar, as you can see. Okay, so look at the left indication. We're going to take the left edge of the paper and fold it towards the center. Once we do that, we're going to press down firmly to make that fold and make sure we have that nice crease. Do the same thing on the right side. Take the right edge, fold it onto that line we made, and fold it down firmly. Now we're gonna turn our paper horizontally and open it up. Okay, look at this. There should be 3 sections. The middle one should be larger, and then there should be 2 side ones. Now we're gonna take our ruler and we're gonna flip it to the centimeter side. And now every centimeter in that middle section, we're gonna put a dot. These will be our guidelines for making the lines later on. Now that we've finished the bottom, we're going to move the ruler to the top of the middle section to create similar dots every centimeter. So here we go. Okay. So we're finishing this top row of centimeter dots. We're going to flip our ruler so that we can make the straight lines. So we're connecting the dot from the top of the middle section to the bottom. So make sure you connect, make sure it's straight and connected so that each little line we make will be also 1 centimeter. So we made the lines for the whole middle section. Go from one edge to the other. We're now going to cut it. It's also very important to not cut past the middle section. Make sure you only stay in the middle section. So now that we grabbed the scissors, we are going to cut the lines. I know this can be quite difficult, but it's very important to keep the edges of the paper together, like this. Keeping it together is going to make sure that the lines will be straight when we cut. So now that the edges are together, we're going to grab our scissors and just cut. Just follow the lines. They should be straight if you kept the edges together. Now that we're finished cutting, we're going to open it up to make sure we didn't miss any section. Then after that, we are going to flip the whole entire paper over. Taking the side sections, we're going to overlap them, and this is how we're going to create the circular body of the caterpillar. I know it can be quite difficult, so I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to put X's on it to indicate where we should place the glue. Now that we have the 2 edges together, try to flatten them as much as possible. I know it's kind of hard because you don't want to make the body flat, but just try your best. Okay, now I'm going to take out 2 popsicle sticks and I'll liquid glue, and now we're going to glue the tips of the popsicle stick, not the whole thing, because you need to have enough room to be able to grip and move the body of the caterpillar. Now we're going to take that left popsicle stick and then put it on the left edge of the caterpillar's body. Now we're going to press firmly so that it can stay. Do the same thing to the right side of the caterpillar's body. Put on top and then press down as firmly as possible. Now we're going to carefully take the caterpillar and move it to the side to dry. Now that we have a clear space, we're taking the red construction paper. It can be any color you want. And we're going to take our ruler and our pen and then mark a 2-inch line. This 2-inch line will help guide us to make a 2-inch circle or anything bigger than that circle. Now I'm going to cut it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Do your best. And after that, you can decorate the face how you want. I'm just going to add 2 little eyes like this, and then a little smiley face, and then little lines for like a blush. You don't have to use a black pen. You can use colors, you can use crayons, markers. Now I'm going to grab a red paper again and cut 2 tiny triangles. Once again, you don't have to follow step by step for this part to decorate the face however you want. Okay, so now we're going to flip our face and then place antennas where you want it. You can use glue, you can use tape, hot glue gun, however you want to place the antennas on the back of the head. I use tape. Tape is fine, glue is fine, just whatever works. Make sure we waited a few minutes before trying to grab the body. We're going to take the head and we're going to glue it onto one edge of the body. Doesn't matter where you want it, whatever you think looks best. Now we're going to put the glue and make an arc so that's the line of the round part of the body. As you can tell, too much glue, but that's okay. Now taking our caterpillar's head, we're going to stick it onto the edge right there, and then try to, I know it's hard, but try to firmly place it and hold it tight so that it can glue properly. And you are done! I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I hope it wasn't too hard, and I hope you guys love it and cherish it and enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later. Bye!